Sunscreen, check. Gimbal, check. Battery pack. I'm not gonna need that. You wanna go to Disney today?
Yeah.
This week we're gonna do something epic with the family. Now you know that we love Disney, but we're gonna challenge ourselves to hit all 4 parks in just 2 days with the kids, so that's a challenge on its own. But the other challenge is we're only gonna bring the Galaxy Note 9, no other camera, so everything being captured is with the Galaxy Note 9 100%. So think about this as the ultimate real-life Galaxy Note 9 camera test. Let's do this.
Who is this?
You gotta excuse the sweat. It's like 100 degrees out here. I live for these mini fans, but if you haven't been to Animal Kingdom yet, you definitely need to go check out Pandora Land. It's really awesome, man. You gotta ride Flight of Passage. That thing is out of control, but it is really hot right now, but we are gonna go and hit up the next park. Let's go. What do you see? Somebody's happy to be here. You guys want to go see Mickey? Let's go see Mickey Mouse. Alright, so we're about to meet Mickey right now, but we're going to do something kind of cool with the note.
Oh, good job. You showing your shoes?
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah. What do? Do they kiss? Do they kiss? Go like that.
It's going to be cool.
Hold on, guys.
This is too cool.
Hold on. Come over here, baby girl.
How? Come on.
Wow.
That is perfect.
That is awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. What do you say to
Thank
Mickey?
you.
Thank you.
So that was one of the coolest things,
That was,
right?
I'm shaking.
So
Such a
you
nerd.
have to think about I've been using the Note since the very original Note, but I never even thought about that. Like that you could just get Mickey to sign the actual picture. You have to think how much cooler that is. That you can show this picture to them 10 years from now, and it's not just an autograph book anymore, it's an actual live representation of what happened at that moment. day 2 is happening right now. Last night was amazing. The fireworks were just incredible. It's the first time actually I've ever seen those fireworks. She was right. She told me that they were awesome. So today is Hollywood Studios, and we're gonna check out Epcot, my favorite park. And you definitely gotta check out Toy Story Land in here. It's new and it's amazing. This is kind of a hidden spot here at Hollywood Studios for the dads and moms that need a little break. Baseline Tap House. They have awesome cheese plates. They have tons of craft beers on tap. So when you need a little break, you come here. This is a really cool place. I come here all the time, so take my word for it. It's awesome. This kid's learning the ABCs and learning how to write, so the S Pen is killer for that.
F is for fish.
That's right.
Ladies and gentlemen,